I was given the bum's rush on the last warranty claim. They didn't want to proceed in a hurry. It took 18 months and I still got no satisfaction, and anything that I had a relevant point to bring up, they just ignored. They didn't answer it, they just pretended I didn't say anything and then went back to their old spiel. It was distressing. My blood pressure went up, I was not well. I'm a self-funded retiree, so I can't afford a lawyer, and I had to let it go. Not happy about it, but I had to let it go. I think their whole modus operandi is to keep me running around long enough until I just got too tired, which is exactly what happened, which what makes me very angry that I did cave. I felt I had a valid case, but I didn't have the money to follow it up, and I think they knew that. I'd say to check all the quotes very carefully. Anything you don't understand, ask. Make sure it's in writing, as in the what type of panels you're getting, what type of inverter you're getting, and make sure that's what you get when it arrives. Well, first of all, I'd say go for a local installer because they can't run away if there's a problem. Go for a better quality system that you know of, and you can only find that out by researching on the internet, asking questions, hounding people who've already got systems and how they've found it, hounding other people about their service from the company that's provided the panels and the inverter, so you've got a good idea of what you can expect.